Check this out. I have a new craft for you guys. It's called My Felted Friends. So we're gonna make some cute little felt animals together. Are you ready? Let's do it.
All right, so we should have all the supplies that we need right in here. We got our little activity book. It's gonna give us the instructions on how to make our felted guys. We have all the felt we'd ever need in the world here. Look at all of this, look at all the colors. That's really exciting. And then we have the needles for doing the needle felting. And then this, I do not like the texture of this. It feels like a magic eraser. So we're gonna make the cozy koala. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. He's adorable, guys. We're gonna start with this. So I guess we need some of this blue-gray color. I guess if I turn it around like this, we could make a sphere. I guess I'm gonna need one of these little needle tools, huh? Let me open this up. All right, perfect. Let me see. Which one do I want to use? There's like a teeny tiny one and then like two bigger ones. I think I'm gonna go with the biggest one. Yeah, that seems right. So I'm gonna start stabbing. Is it doing anything? Hello? Can you guys see it now? Okay, perfect. Let's try it now. Stab, 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 stab. Stab, 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 stab. Stab. Stabby. Stabby. Stab, 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 stab. Maybe if I turn it, boop it up, boop up. Ow. Like stabbing myself. Ow. All right, maybe if I put it down here on the little booklet. Boop, 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 beep, boop, 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 boop. Does it look like a sphere yet? Not yet. I mean, let's try this. Let's try this off camera. All right. Actually, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna read the instructions. That probably would have been a good idea from the beginning, but I was just so excited, you guys. All right, ball shapes. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, guys. Okay. Yep, we did prepare the wool like that. Place your ball on the felting mat. I guess we didn't do that part. I tried doing it in my hands and I kept stabbing myself. That was not fun. So let's try it again. Beautiful. I have my sphere. Looks a lot better than earlier. So there's the head. All right, what are we doing now? Guess we need some more of this blue-gray color. It's so fun to pull apart, you guys. It kind of feels like pulling apart cotton candy. You ever done that before? It's like the same texture. All right, we need to make a body. The body is like an oval. It's like a cylinder. Let's try this mat. I cannot stand the texture of this mat. But we will persevere, guys, and we will use it even though it's not fun. I'm actually folding it because I don't want it to be all loose. There we go. There we go. Step, 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 step. You know, this is really cathartic. Like if you're just having a rough day and you have a lot of stress going on, just do a little stabby stabby. Really, all of this project is just stabbing. That sounds so funny. Oh, but really though, that is what this is. Just stab, stab, stab. Stab until you have the shape that you want. Stab until you're content. Stab, 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 stab. Stabby, stab, stab, stab. Stab, 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 stab. Yeah, we're getting there. And I think the booklet said we want to leave the top of it kind of fuzzy so it's easier to attach. So we will do our best on that. So let's do some attaching. I'm gonna hold it for this because I don't know how I'm supposed to do this on the mat. Stab, stab, stab. I think it's working, guys. Step, 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 step. All right, guys, it's time to make the tummy. So we're gonna need some white wool and we're gonna put it right there in the middle of his body. So here's the white. It's kind of like an off-white, more of like a cream. If I can get it out. Okay, hello. There. Okay, there we go. Is that gonna be enough? I really hope it's gonna be enough. Let's be honest, guys. Actually, I think it might be too much. Oh, or I guess maybe we could, yeah, let's just remove a little bit. Try folding it over, see what that does. Is that any better? Let me try folding it. Folding it over again, putting it on this side. Does that work? I don't know, guys. We're gonna try. And I refuse to use the mat this came with. Okay. All right. That actually looks pretty good. Ignore the little stray hairs. Those don't exist. You didn't see that. Okay. Make 4 small rolls with blue wool for the koala's limbs. Ooh. Y'all didn't notice that voice crack. That didn't happen. It's still early in the morning when I'm recording this, so I have an excuse. Okay, so here's an arm. I'm bringing back the foam board, even though I can't stand the texture. It's gonna help us. So let me just poke, poke, stab, 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 stab. Poke, 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 poke. Stab, 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 stab. And we're gonna do this for a while. Again, it's very good stress relief. I do recommend this craft if you're feeling a little bit stressed out. But there we go. Oh, he's trying to escape. Oh, okay, 2, count them, 2 arms. Oh, he fell again. Oh, wow. Okay, now he has feet and arms. He can officially stand. Look at him, he's so cute. He's so cute even though he doesn't have a face. Okay, update. He has a nose and a mouth. He's coming along. OMG, guys. Look at his face now. It was really hard making eyes out of such tiny pieces of wool, but he's starting out so cute. And his little rosy cheeks. Okay, now we just gotta make his little ears. That shouldn't be too bad. I mean, at this stage, we're experts, right? The ears aren't perfect, but nothing has to be perfect in art as long as we're having fun. Does he still look like a koala? I mean, I think that's all that matters. We'll add his little hat. I'm squishing his nose to add his hat. I'm so sorry, buddy. But, you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. But here he is. Now he has a little scarf too. Oh, he's so precious. He's just so adorable. What do you guys think about how he turned out? He needs a home. So here's his new home. He's gonna be hanging out with my clay creatures over here. I think he's really happy over there. So that was me needle felting. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.